Here's an example of how to scrape Newegg product listings in one click and turn them into a clean spreadsheet without any manual copying and pasting. The tool I'm using is Thunderbit. You can install its Chrome extension and open it anytime you need it. Just click one-click extract. Thunderbit's AI agent will analyze the page, detect the product listing layout, and prepare the extraction fields for you. You can quickly review the suggested fields like product name, brand, price, rating, number of reviews, URL, and more. When it comes to pagination, the default is 5 pages, but you can choose until end or set a custom number, up to 200 pages. If everything looks good, click Run Now. Thunderbit will collect the product listings in the background and organize everything into a structured table. Once it's done, you'll get a clean table with the Newegg product listings neatly organized. Use it for product research, price tracking, competitor analysis, and more. You can copy, download, or share the table, or export the data in the format you need, like Excel, CSV, or JSON. Try Thunderbit free at thunderbit.com.